Today, we're diving into the CORSAIR 7000D Airflow, a full-tower ATX case designed to be the cornerstone of your most ambitious PC builds. Crafted with an airflow-optimized steel front panel, this case ensures maximum air intake, keeping your components cool even during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. One of the standout features is the CORSAIR Rapid Route Cable Management System, which simplifies cable routing and keeps everything neat and tidy behind the scenes. Inside, the 7000D Airflow offers a spacious interior that can accommodate up to 12x120mm or 7x140mm cooling fans, providing plenty of options for customization to suit your cooling needs. But it doesn't stop there. This case is also radiator-friendly, with support for up to 3 simultaneous 360mm radiators or 2 simultaneous 420mm radiators, ensuring extreme cooling capability for even the most power-hungry setups. Included with the case are 3 CORSAIR 140mm air guide fans, strategically designed with anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling performance. Additionally, a customizable side fan mount allows for the installation of up to a 420mm radiator, further expanding cooling options. Visually, the 7000D Airflow doesn't disappoint either. The tool-free tempered glass panel showcases your components in all their glory, while a customizable windowed PSU shroud with a 3-slot vertical GPU mount adds a personalized touch to your build. But functionality is not compromised for aesthetics. The case features a front I/O panel with convenient access to a USB Type-C port and 4 USB 3.0 ports, ensuring easy connectivity for your peripherals and devices. Plus, the easy-access hinged side doors make maintenance and component upgrades a breeze. Overall, the CORSAIR 7000D Airflow is a premium choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike, offering unparalleled cooling performance, versatile customization options, and a sleek design that's sure to impress. If you're looking to build your ultimate gaming rig or workstation, look no further than the 7000D Airflow. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.